Hello, this is Muhammad Usman and welcome to Smart Programming Tutorial. This is the fifth tutorial of Windows command line interface. In this tutorial, we will learn how we can create a user account using CLI in Windows, and as well as you may know, there is already a hidden administrator account in your Windows. So how we can active that administrator account? So start the CMD. You need to start the CMD as administrator privileges because you need to add the accounts in your Windows operating system. So run as administrator. Now this is my current working directory. Now first of all, I want to active my hidden administrator account. For that, I need to run the command net user which account you want to make the active. So name of the account is administrator, and then /active colon yes. Before running this program, you can check here that there is no administrator account showing here. As there is no administrator account is showing here. Now after running this command, now command is run successfully. Now you can check from here that there is an administrator account is active. From here you can check this. Now if you want to add the new account in your operating system, then you have to write net user /8. What is the name of the new account? Let's suppose I say test CMD account, and what is the password for your account is, let's suppose 1234. This is the password and this is the name of the account. Now run this program. The command is run successfully. Now the new user is also added here. His test CMD account is also showing me in the list. Now if you want to make this account, or if you want to add this account as administrator or assign the administrator privileges, for that you need to run the command net local group. Then what is the name of the account which you want to assign the administrator privileges is test CMD account, and then what privileges you want to assign it here, you have to mention it here, administrator privileges, and test account, then /add. Now run this command. Now command is completed successfully. Now you have assigned the test CMD account administrator privileges to test CMD account. So this is how you can active the administrator account, and as well as how we can create the user account and assign the administrator privileges to that account. So I hope it will help you. Thank you. So this is how we can assign the administrator privileges to my test CMD account. Now if you want to remove or take back this administrator privileges to this account, from this account, then you just simply have to write delete instead of this add. So I have taken back the administrator privileges to test CMD account. So what you have learned in this tutorial, then that how we can active the administrator account, hidden administrator account, or how we can create a user account, as well as assign the privileges or taking back the privileges. So I hope it will help you. Thank you.